welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you know today is the first time you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly click that red subscribe button and click that bell beside it so that you will easily get notified whenever we upload a new video here, guys. Thank you very much and God bless you as you do so. And don't also fail to hit the like button, comment down in the comment section below. Let's see your opinion on what you think about this video, guys. So guys, today video we're gonna talk about these beautiful actresses that look alike exactly like their mother. So my number one actress I have for you is Genevieve Nnaji. So Genevieve Nnaji is a Nigerian Nollywood actress, producer, director. As we all know, she won the Africa Movie Academy Award for the Best Actress in the Leading Role in 2005. Genevieve Nnaji was born in May 3rd, 1979. She is currently 41 years old. This beautiful actress, she look exactly like her mother, just like the way her daughter look exactly like her. They have the same skin, they have the same black beauty. So guys, what did you think about that? So my number two actress I have for you is Regina Daniels. Regina Daniels is a Nigerian actress and a film producer. Regina Daniels' mother's name is Rita Daniels. As we all know, Regina Daniels was born in October 10, 2000 in Asaba, Nigeria. This beautiful actress has started acting and moving career from her childhood. She has featured in a lot of movies such as Dangerous Twin Sister, Python Girl, Do Me Bring in School, The Batman, The Jericho Planted Girl. So guys, this beautiful actress has started acting from her childhood. So she has featured in a lot of movies. She have acted a lot of movies. So guys, this beautiful actress look exactly like her mother. She look exactly like her mother. They have the same face, they have the same nose, they have the same color, they have the same skin. Yeah, even when they put on their makeup, they both look alike. So guys, what do you also think about them? She look exactly like her mother. Look at that face, look at them, look at their skin. They look like twins. They look as if the same mother gave birth to them. They look alike a lot. They look alike. They both look alike a lot. Yeah, she and her mother look alike, and she look exactly like her mom. So guys, I have another one for you guys. So the other one I have for you guys is Toto Dike. Toto Charity Dike is a Nigerian actress. As we all know, this actress is a singer. She is a songwriter. She was born in June 9th, 1985 in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Toto Dike look exactly like her mom. Yeah, if you look at them very well, they both look alike. The way she smile and the way her mother smile. She look exactly like her mother. There is no doubt about that. So guys, take it or leave it. She look like a mom. So I have another one for you guys. My favorite actress, Destiny Etiko. Yes, Destiny Etiko is one of my favorite actress. Yeah, I love her a lot. Yeah, I love her a lot. That's why I always talk about her. So guys, Destiny Etiko has featured in a lot of movies. Yeah, she has acted such as Idemili. She has acted Atlas Sister. She has featured in a lot of movies such as Tears and Pain, such as My Uncle's Wife. She has featured in a lot of movies, guys. So Destiny could look exactly like her mother. This beautiful actress, she has the same stature with her mom. She has the same face. Take it or leave it. She has the same face with her mother. She has the same stature with her mother. I guess she picked from her mother. Yeah, I guess she picked from her mother because This actress has a beautiful skin, has a beautiful body, she has a beautiful shape. So guys, I guess she took from a lovely mom. Yeah, look at them very well. They both look alike. There is no doubt about that. The both of them look alike. She look like a mom and a mom look like her. This is what I call like daughter, like mother like daughter. They both look alike. She's beautiful. So guys, I have another one for you guys called Mercy Aigbe. Mercy was born in 1st January 1978 in Edo State. She is from Benin City, which is the capital city of Edo State. She is the second child in a family of 5. Yeah, Mercy Aigbe's husband's name is Larry Gentries. She is an actress and a director, businesswoman. She is best known for her Yoruba movie. She has featured in a lot of movies. Mercy Aigbe loves Yorubas a lot. She loves to speak Yorubas. She loves to speak Yoruba. She loves to act Yoruba movies. So this beautiful actress look exactly like her mother. There's no doubt about this also. She looked like her mother, just the way they smile, just the way they laugh, the both of them, their nose, their face, her skin and the color, the both of them look alike. So Mercy love Yoruba movies a lot. So a lot of people is giving it that they are saying that Mercy Aigbe is she is Yoruba lady. No, she's not Yoruba. Just that she loves Yoruba movie. She loves to speak Yorubas a lot. She loves Yorubas a lot. And she loves fashions. She loves fashions a lot. Mercy Aigbe is the best actress that I've ever seen in the Nollywood industry that love fashions a lot. This actress look exactly like her daughter, and her daughter look exactly also like her, just like the way she look exactly like her mom. Even if she's acting Benin movie, she's acting Nigeria movie, she always miss it with her Yoruba. She loves to speak Yoruba. It's like if she did not add her Yoruba, as in that thing that she's doing will not, it will just look somehow for her. So she loves Yoruba movies a lot. So guys, Mercy Aigbe is not Yoruba, but she loves to speak Yoruba. She loves Yorubas a lot. She grew up there. So guys, what do you also think about this particular one? So guys, let's see your opinion down there in the comment section below. Like I said before, you're free to say your opinion about them. So we have another one, Mercy Johnson Okoye. Mercy Johnson Okoye is a Nigerian actress. This actress is so talented. She was born in August 28, 1984. Her spell name is Prince Odionosin Okoye. Mercy Johnson looked exactly like her mother. Yeah, her late mother, Elizabeth Johnson. So guys, there's no doubt about that. Just like the way her daughter Purity looked exactly like her. Mercy Johnson is a Nigerian Nollywood actress that is so talented. This beautiful actress is so talented. She has featured in a lot of movie. She has had a lot of movies such as Art of a Fighter, Do Maybe the Dirty Girl, Do Maybe in School, Weeping So, The Maid, White Hunter, Baby Oko in America, Thanksgiving, Native Fowl, They Will Be Done, Bravo Maiden. So guys, this beautiful actress is still featuring, in her latest movie. She has acted such as The Trip to the East. She has acted the Umbo Maiden. So guys, this beautiful actress, I do watch a movie. A movie give a lot of sense. A movie give a lot, as it make you to understand life. You make you to understand the things that is really going on in life. So this beautiful actress look exactly also like a mother, Elizabeth Johnson. Just the way her daughter look like her. purity. So guys, what do you also think about this beautiful actress Mercy Johnson Okoye? Let's see your comments down there in the comment section below. Like I said before, you're free to say your opinion. In the particular one, you know, that resemble his mother, as in that look exactly like the mother. So let's see your opinion down there. So we have another one called Funke Akindele. Akindele Olufunke Ayotunde is her full name. She is a Nigerian Nollywood actress and she is a producer. Yeah, this actress, she's so funny, you know. This actress is funny. Is like she's like a comedian, yeah. That's why I said this before. I said if you are the type that does not laugh, that always feels sad. If you watch a movie, you will, before you will just burst laugh, you know, you will not even know, you know. So this lady was born in August 24, 1977. She's currently 42 years old in Ikorodu, Nigeria. So she look like a mother too. Yeah, Funke Akindele look exactly like a mom. If you look at them very well, the both of them look alike. She have the same mouth and the same color, the same face, the way they smile, the way she smile and her mother smile too. They both look alike, you know. Funke Akindele loves to dance a lot, and she is a Yoruba girl. She loves to speak Yoruba a lot. She loves to act Yoruba movie. She loves to make someone laugh, you know. She's funny. She loves dance a lot. It's like dance is her hobby, self in short. She loves to dance. She loves to dance, you know. She's beautiful. She's so talented, you know. She's so fit in any role character given by her. She has featured in a lot of movies too, you know. She has Monica the Fighter. So guys, what do you also think about this? Let's see your comment down there. Let's see your comment in the comment section below. What you think about this beautiful actress, all of them I just mentioned. Let's see your comment down there in the comment section below. And bye bye. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Let's see you up in my next video. Bye.